Okay, we are going to play, or we're playing Five Nights at Candy's right now. We're actually on the second night, and let us see. Let's start this. So you might miss some of the stories. Five Nights at Candy's is like a Five Nights at Freddy's knockoff, which is kind of cool. We love Five Nights at Freddy's. So there's a long loading screen. So we skipped to night 2, so we can cut out a lot of the night 1's kind of not boring, but it's kind of like a introduction. So there should be more action this time around.
Yep.
So you're gonna get a phone call with a guy telling us some information.
You have one.
This is the control panel.
Message.
That's Candy. That's Cindy.
Yep.
Hello? Hello?
Purple, blue.
I told you.
We'll listen to the camera guy.
Anyway, I thought I'd mention. We have this little list of problems that we have observed with the animatronics
What
over
problem is
time.
So he's gonna talk about the animatronics.
It's nothing to
Okay, Cindy's gone. You see, so we gotta
the
find her.
animatronics do
She's
have
over on cam
minor
12.
glitches.
Yep.
You can see her eyes, and we don't use night vision.
We're of course trying to get them fixed.
So they're basically trying to kill
You
us.
should know something, too.
Oh shoot! There's a new animatronic.
It's Chester.
Let
That's
me
just
see.
it.
The animatronics
Okay, so Cindy's right there.
sometimes start to walk around on their own.
Okay, there's what's his face.
Sometimes in the morning, we find them in the strangest places. So you
Okay,
may see
this is our
them
room too. This is a door we can close.
Some of their sensors.
Center's door.
And,
This door.
and in case the animatronics
So hopefully they don't get
is
close to the
experiencing
room.
violence
Okay, he's in camera
or
2.
yes,
Yep.
the animatronic will try to seek out the cause and
It's
stop it.
so hard. Chester's
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
out. Blank's not coming out.
Decides to do
The
that.
cat.
Ah, crap.
It
So
doesn't
they-
seem to mind it with the children.
Okay, so he's there.
It's
She's
weird.
there.
If
As we
they're
look at them, they don't
children
move.
playing
Oh crap.
cops and robbers, you know, and one of them
So
gets
camera 8,
shot.
camera 2,
The animatronics don't really do anything out of the ordinary.
camera 2. Where's Cindy?
Except after that day, the animatronics don't really seem to function properly around adults.
So I can see their eyes. We have to say power too.
Especially not around
Yeah, you see over
You
here.
can see on
the
the blue power
animatronics
meter.
just ignore you most of the time, you know, unless you come near them, and they just turn their heads
So camera 2, camera 8,
like as if you just told a bad
camera 12.
joke. I don't know. It's kind of creepy.
Okay, come on, creepy.
But yeah,
Or we can click on those too.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
Seems to have, like, traumatized
It's like a
their
little
system
clown
or something
noise.
like that. Anyway,
Like,
replace the
if you're
whole
watching this
animatronics
video,
with some brand new ones.
um,
So he's stored way in the
just,
back, so we can get someone to fix it. Anyway, how are you? I keep the other ones to
Ah, crap.
and use the doors
We're dying.
if you have to.
I
That
can't
will be
look.
it for now.
Okay, so camera 5,
Have a good night.
camera 8, and camera 12.
jump,
Camera 12,
jump,
camera 5.
jump, and then it's scary.
Oh, he's not there anymore.
Who? Oh my gosh, I'm going.
Ah, shoot, they're both coming. Camera 3. He's right outside our door.
Oh my god!
Close the door. Okay, door's closed on him. So we have the other door.
1 a.m. 2, not 2
We have to last till
a.m.
5 a.m. So 2 a.m. right now. You see on the side.
No,
Okay, he's done.
I'm
We can open the
gonna
door.
die. Seriously, that barf is not real. It's just
Okay, there's Cindy. That freaking. Okay, so
cat.
what's his name goes all the way back to the stage right before they come to the door, they go all the way back to the stage. Where the heck are they? Okay, camera 8, camera 2. So if you're watching this game, you're probably getting the concept of what's going on. They're trying to basically come into our office area
And kill us.
and kill us. But if we're looking at them, I mean, there's a whole backstory to it where they're trying to. In Five Nights at Freddy's, which is the same thing,
Yep, but
they think we're like an animatronic without what?
an endoskeleton.
Without skeleton. So they basically want to stuff us into a suit. Or no, they think we're an endoskeleton without it. Oh crap, where's she at?
They think
oh,
we're
number 2.
an endoskeleton without its costume on.
Ah! Go up! Where is it at? Ah!
Ah!
The mouse isn't going fast, so. Okay, okay, he's still there looking. Okay, so he's gone.
I'm gonna barf.
Alright, let's put the door back.
In 3 seconds, I'm just gonna throw up
Okay,
all
so
over.
Cindy's right in front of us. Crap.
This is getting hard, like, what a.m. are we at?
Wait, so she's at 3. What's his face is at 2. Where's the monkey?
The monkey,
Crap. Okay, so 3 and 2, right?
But where's the monkey? Where's
Is
the
the monkey inside with us? Okay, 3 a.m.
Where's the monkey, unky? Where's the monkey, unky? Where's the monkey, unky?
3 and 2. Where's the monkey? Is that he came all the way up to the
monkey, unky, bungy,
okay, so 5.
I think he's back where he was.
5 and 3. They're in camera 5 and 5. I don't see him in 9.
Chester's, I think he's back there.
Okay, so 5 and 3. I see eyes in 5 and 3.
Wow.
I think the night vision uses up more power, so I see you guys. Oh, there he is.
I told you.
What time is it?
I
3
don't
a.m.
know.
Crap. Still got a long time. Okay, so 5, 3, and 9.
I'm gonna.
What happens when we run out of power?
I'm gonna.
What happens when we run out of power, Javi?
Basically, your screen says dark, and then you get jump scared.
When they come. Oh yeah, if they ever catch us, is what's called a jump scare. So they're gonna like just scare the hell out of us.
Yep, and then they just kill us.
We don't actually see the killing. 4 a.m.
Yeah, we don't actually see it because.
Now we've been playing Five Nights at Freddy's for a while, so we know that we're supposed to. I mean, it takes a. There's what Chester. It takes a while for them to. As long as you keep looking at them, they're gonna. Not. Ah, crap! Crap! Close the door. I didn't see that one. Okay, let me take back everything I was about to say. I was about to say, oh, they. Ah! Is there eyes over here? See, if you get scared right away,
Yes, and
crap!
stop playing this game.
Then you want to automatically close the doors because, like, oh no! You know, so we've been playing long enough. We don't get too jumpy. Can we open that door?
I just get scared.
Normally, you would a lot of people just start closing the doors and use up all your power.
Just get in the bed.
Just get in the bed.
That's not from Five Nights at Freddy's. That's from Villager News.
From Village News, another popular YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, so Cindy is nowhere to be found.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, Cindy's right there.
Oh God. Butterbow.
Okay, so crap. Okay.
I'm gonna.
So 5 and 3. So we got. It's 5 a.m. Doing pretty good. There's only night 2, so it gets a little bit harder after a while. So cameras 5 and cameras 3. We don't worry about Chester yet.
Don't check anyone.
He's right outside the door.
Don't check anyone. It's not part of that candy. They're part of that pretty.
Okay, so
Don't check.
he's still right outside the door. See, when you close the door on them, like they basically see you, or they leave afterwards and they go back to the stage.
Yeah.
So that's what kind of. Cindy's right there. It's 5 a.m. So.
It's gonna
Oh, I gotta open the door. I gotta open the door. The little bar kind of helps you out. Okay. Oh shoot! Go 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 go! Did we make it?
Tell me when it gets to 5 a.m.
I don't know if he made it. Okay, he's outside the office still. Alright, Javier left because of the excitement. It's not necessarily, these games aren't scary, they're just like, they're, crap! Oh, the other door, we're gonna run out of power, Okay, open the door. Let's see if she's out there still. Okay, she's gone. As long as we don't see a parrot. Javi's running around the house right now. Oh! Yeah! We're the kings of Five Nights at Candy's. Okay, and so after every night, there's like this, like a weird mini game. In Five Nights at Freddy's, they have cutscenes and mini games. So Five Nights at Candy's kind of does a similar thing. Okay, let's see what.
Yeah, but it's just like a mad puppet.
Oh, this is
You hear
weird.
that children laugh?
Error, no video. Oh. Put the volume. Well, I'll put the volume up so we can hear. Sounds like there's like some weird nonsense going on in the background. Okay.
Blood everywhere.
I don't know if that's blood. That's probably, oh, maybe. So,
Is that him?
so that was a bunch of destroyed animatronic parts. I didn't scroll the whole time. So hey, Chester.
Jolly.
Okay, so that was Five Nights at Candy's, the second night. So we have the third night coming up.
Yep.
That was fun. That was intense. That was only the third night. Jeez. So let's start the third night. Maybe we'll skip the third night. Me and Javier can actually beat it. And maybe we'll jump to the fourth night. So it's really
And
interesting.
probably get to the fifth.
Well, that's the hope. So all right, this is a fun game.
Yeah.
I highly recommend it.
You get really scared too.
If you can play Five Nights at Freddy's, that's the originator. And so okay, me and Javi are signing off.
Yes, I'm scared. I'm gonna go home.